know it's not your normal day out here, but when it comes down to it, Pat's Garage Online. We might be on maybe this might be a podcast. This might be a stream. We're not quite sure.
You're gonna be.
Welcome.
Hi, I'm Pat, and welcome back to the channel. I'm on my way to Hunt Valley Horsepower this morning in Hunt Valley, Maryland. First time with the Lambo, so kind of curious exactly what the response may be showing up here. It has been raining overnight, so had a chance to try out my windshield wipers for the first time, and just taking it easy on the ride here. I-70 and the Beltway, no problems at all. No people acting stupid on the highway trying to get my picture, thankfully. But here we go. Hey, Will, what's going on, brother?
What's going on?
Oh,
Bam!
There it is. Oh, it's always good to be back in Hunt Valley. So we made it to Hunt Valley Horsepower. It's actually a thin day today. It's not very crowded. I think the rain scared a lot of people away. But so far, the Performante is getting a ton of attention, and talked with a bunch of great people here. I always love this event. A big shout out to Will for always running a great event here at Hunt Valley Horsepower. This gets so much attention.
It's not a Lambo. It's not a Lambo. One of them, we don't have to pay later.
And love the Camaro next to me over here in black as well. I got to tell you, the matte on this car. Not that I ever thought I would really like it, but it really does do well. Especially in the rain. I did notice that there's not a whole lot of cleanup required after driving through the rain. So, yeah, I'm very impressed so far. And, of course, a friend of the channel. Link in the description if you want to follow this car, but think twice about competing with it. Tell me what has been done to it.
There's been a lot done to it, actually. Mechanically, it's got a 4.5 liter stroker motor, aluminum heads, bigger turbo, all the associated modifications. Cosmetically, it's had some, bumpers color matched, and just subtle things visually. Suspension-wise, it's got full ride tech coilover suspension, sway bars, everything from their catalog. So it's built to go around corners, not per se drag racing anymore. So it's a little more enjoyable for what I do with it. That's
terrific, and he's local.
I am.
So, if I need help, he said he'd help me, which is good. It's always fun to see this car out at the show, and it's great to see the car people that are truly good friends. I'm always blown away by this. Now, a friend of mine growing up, Dwayne, he had one. I had a chance to drive it, and I'll never forget being able to press the accelerator down, seeing those lights change, and losing traction at 40 mile an hour.
Not hard.
So have you ever been in a real scary situation with it?
I've spun it around in the rain on drag radials once before.
Ouch.
Yeah, learned my lesson.
I think we all have to go through that at one time or another.
Yeah, initiation. Then you know what not to do in the future.
Yep, you got to learn your car. That's awesome. Yeah, really enjoying hanging out with these car people. And, all kinds of car guys. I love the Porsches. I do miss my Cayman S, honestly. Check that out. Nice Golf livery there. Beautiful. Beautiful GT3 RS. Even the Porsche Taycan. Wow. So I'm not sure if this is factory paint or if this is a wrap on this, but this looks phenomenal. I really love the look of this. I was never into the black cars or the matte PPF, but it it looks so good. Yeah, it's different, I think, when you own the car and you really like it, you start to appreciate it even more. Love the black Stingray. L48 T-tops. Beautiful. Beautiful in black. I definitely missed my 78 after seeing this. Had a great time here at Hunt Valley Horsepower. I usually don't shoot when I come out to these Cars and Coffee events, but it sure was terrific in order to get the reaction of some of the people and seeing what they thought about this Performante. It's truly a special car, and it was great to have some of the kids also check the car out. I'm super happy. I'm super thrilled with how it really drove in the rain and how it cleaned up nicely. This black matte paint is terrific. So, hey, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit that like button.